tricycle. One of a kind. We're going to the Visoria. Binondo. Open Quiapo lang, China. Vista Hotel and Restaurant.
We waited for 2 hours.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. What me? What do you mean?
Yeah.
Look at that. Street shopping. Yeah, oo. Old buildings. This is Tutuban, right? Tutuban. Tutuban Mall.
Tutuban 999.
999. Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Tutuban.
Mas malaki yung area dito.
2,000 years later.
On our way to like street foods. Time check. What time is it? Is it 6? 5:30. 5:30. This is Lucky Chinatown. Chinatown.
pinapaalis ng Diyos. Dahil gusto ng Panginoon na siya ay hindi maalipin Ama ng sa langit. Tandaan po natin yan mga kapatid, na hindi po ang Panginoon nagbibilang. Hindi nagbibilang ang Diyos.
Oh, shucks. Ramada, Manila Central. Manila Central. It's nice here. Great Buddha, home of the best opia antique. This is open street. It's a big street. Big. Oo nga eh. Tata can smell the food.
Cool.
Yeah, so
I like this area.
this is hotel. Amazing. Ano ba yan? Wow. Pila. It's like so good. King Binti Chinese deli. Wow. Sorry. Kailangan dito dumaan sa gilid. Hindi. It's traffic, so we better walk. Dami kasing pila. Queuing up for the food. All best fast food, Chunky. Hey, this is Tiko. This is almost Chinese New Year, right? Yeah. This is Manila, Chinatown. Welcome to Manila, Chinatown. Okay, we're here now. I never been here. Manila, Chinatown. It's nice, huh? Wow. Because it's almost Chinese New Year, so most of the stores are selling tikoy. Yeah. Parang haba-haba ng mga pila. Ang bango. Opia. Ang sarap. Sana tayo. Kaya nga mahirap. Uy, tabi. Tikoys. Papunta na nga sa Chinese New Year.
Ano, di ba? Feb 8? Feb 9?
Ayun, bumilang tikoy.
Tikoy?
Oo. Okay. the stuff. Salazar Bakery. Anong gagawin natin? Chinese New Year. Yan o, tikoy. Tikoy. So, Chinese New Year. Ang bigas sa tiyan yan. Ha? Mac Center. Anong ginagawa natin? Puno yung mga sinasabi niyong ano eh. Tsaka pahapon na ta. Paggabi na pala. Purple one is open. Famous hopia from Santa Cruz, Manila. This is from Baker's Fair. So we have two flavors here. Ubi and red bean mungo. Red bean, yeah, red bean. 2 for 5. I think 10 pieces for 160 pesos. No, this is 2 fours. 20 pieces for 160 pesos. Not bad, right? 20 pieces. It's nice. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try the mungo, red bean. Try. Tastes good, this one. Try. It's not red bean. I don't know what's this flavor. Okay, next one. This is the purple.
Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step